gonna mess this up. I'm not gonna mess this up. I'm not gonna mess this up.
Blah 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 blah. Hi, it's Nate. What's up? So we haven't really given you an update for a while, so I wanted to say hey. Refrigerator. Anyways, yeah, there's a lot of things going on that you should be excited about. It's really good iced latte today. Homemade, my own, freshly ground espresso, delicious. Droid. Get excited. Like, why not get excited? I don't know. So we're going in the studio in like 3 days. We're gonna do like some new songs and stuff like that. Refrigerator. La 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 la. And then hopefully we're gonna be back on the road before too long, so we can play some fun, exciting shows with some fun, exciting new songs for y'all.
Refrigerate.
I don't buy orange picks, but Mike does, and then I steal them.
I steal them.
I looked in my pockets and my jeans, and I had 15 picks, none of which I paid for, all of which I stole from Michael. Anyway, yeah. So anyways.
Refrigerator.
I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. Yeah, there's a lot of changes and things going on in our camp, so we're excited to share them all with you really soon. You gotta be patient. This song's been stuck in my head for days, and I love this song, so this is my first guitar I ever owned. I wanted to play you a quick.
Refrigerate.
It's so high, crazy. It's really high, so I have to press that to the hard finger string. This song is great. If you don't know it, look it up. I said, hey, I've been gone today, but I'll be back all around the way. Seems like everywhere I go, the more I see, the less I know. I know one thing, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I've been a lot of places all around the way. I've seen a lot of joy and I've seen a lot of pain, but I don't wanna write a love song for the world. I just wanna write a song about a boy and a girl. Junkies on the corner always calling my name, and the kids on the corner playing ghetto games. When I saw you getting down, well, I hoped it was you. But when I looked into your eyes and I knew it was true, I said, hey, today, I'll be back all around the way. Seems like everywhere I go, the less I see, the less I know. But I know one thing, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. That's all I got.